Stop. Don't watch another YouTube video until you change these settings. First, turn off autoplay so videos stop queuing themselves after each play. Next, pause your watch and search history to stop algorithmic feeding. Then, disable autoplay video previews in the home feed, so thumbnails stop playing automatically. Those 3 cuts immediately slash binge triggers and reclaim your attention. Ready for power moves? I'll show 3 more settings to optimize your experience. Open notifications and turn off recommended videos plus noisy channel alerts. Enable captions by default so you never miss dialogue and reduce rewinds. Set video quality preferences. Prefer high on Wi-Fi and lower on mobile to save data. Quick checklist recap. Autoplay off, pause history, stop previews, mute recommendations, captions on, set quality. Change them now. Open YouTube settings and make these 6 flips in under a minute. Done. Great. Watch smarter, not longer. Subscribe for more fast tech fixes.